guys, we entered in Banff National Park. This is the entrance in Banff National Park, yeah? Don't know what's with that ticket zone. Maybe you can comment down below and tell me why you have to stop with a small car to pay. For what are you paying there? Are you paying a ticket for what? Visiting the national park? I don't know. So, nice mountains. Again and again. Mountain peaks full with snow. Not full, but you can see still snow. The mountains. What's the time? It's 4:50. I still have some sort of 4 hours left. Hopefully I'm going to meet my point of parking. I'm going to arrive where I want to when I made the plan for. But the images are amazing. You can't see on the left side what I can see, and I'm not going to touch the phone because I'm not a reckless driver. But there is some steep mountains, rocky mountains. It's rocky. And there is a sign. There was a sign beside the road that you are in avalanche country. An avalanche. Not at this time in July, June, end of June. But in the winter it can happen. I know that there is a section here of the road that it says don't stop because the avalanche may hit you from the right side.
This route avoids a road closure on British Columbia 1 West before the White Lake Road exit. You're on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 22:14.
Yeah. I want to stop at the Husky tonight. Sleep in a Husky fuel stop. I think tomorrow I'm going to sleep more, 7, not 6. Yeah. I have enough time. I deserve some good sleep after last night when I had to deliver in Lobla in Regina after a sleepless night. I'm right or I'm right? I'm right, of course, yeah. So 90, come on, I want to drive 110. Nice views. You can see a bit the mountain that's in the left of me. So bend. There is a large bend. I'm using the retarder. Come on, retarder, brake, brake. That's good. The engine brake, as you know it here in North America. In Europe, we call it retarder. The engine brake of a truck. It wasn't that bad, the curve. I could do it with 100 with no problems. a bit for you to see the beauty of the mountains in front of me. You can see some snow, yeah? Zoom out. Oh, zoom in is better or not? Zoom in. Maybe it's better, yeah? For you to see the... Maybe it's too much, like that. Yeah, so I can't play music. I'll have to put on the record and put some music, ambient music, and now no music that is known is I'm not allowed to play it on. Still 90. Banff National Park, maybe that's why. It's you're not allowed to drive fast. You're going to disturb the bears. They are sleeping or eating. Some raspberry. Raspberry, I think in August it will be okay to eat, yeah. Banff Townville 2 kilometers. So Banff Townville 2 kilometers. Again, I have to zoom in. Look at that. Look at that wonderful scenery. What you want more? What you want more? Tell me. Wow, what the mountain. It's not my first time on this road, but I still. I'm impressed every time I'm coming here. I'm impressed every time. Oh my God. A T3, I think this Volkswagen is. My father used to have a van like this, like the one in front of me. Volkswagen T3, I think. From Europe. Yeah, T3. That's unbelievable. That's an old one. And an old guy with a young one. Of course. An old guy with a young one. Yeah. He's having fun tonight. Or maybe his wheelie doesn't come up anymore. What you can do? I'm like that. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. But in life you have to laugh and joke. Yeah. Come on, 110 zone, come on. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting. I waited enough. Caravan! Again, like I said previous, interesting weekend for me to work with caravans. I don't I want to have a caravan, don't get me wrong, but caravans go faster. The wind is not blowing. What makes you not drive that fast? Are you afraid of what? Victor from Amsterdam. He was saying that we're supposed to come here with our families and do some skiing. And I have to know where the slope is for us to go and ski. Like Lake Louise. Lake Louise. My God, what a nice scenery. This is for what I'm happy that I'm a truck driver. My wife will going to be a bit upset because she likes more than me to travel. I like to travel as well, but she wants to do that every day. That's not possible. But now I'm traveling for free. I told her, come with me in the truck and you're going to travel and you'll not want to travel again with me, baby, because I'm waking up at 5 in the morning. I'm going to sleep at 8, 9 and the next day the same for 3-4 weeks in a row. There is another guy in this small vehicle that will going to pass me that he's recording too, but he's a passenger. He's holding the phone in his hand. So let's zoom in a bit. Too much. Too much of a zoomer. So let's see what's here. What it says. Bow Valley Parkway, 2 kilometers. I think that's for 4-wheelers, not for trucks. Snow. Give me a thumbs up for this and subscribe for goodness sake. Come on. Why you are not subscribing? Watching me and not being a subscriber. It will help you to know when I'm posting the videos. If you want, you will watch them. If you don't, you don't. That's it. But subscribe. It's free. It's still free. Beware that soon it will not going to be free to subscribe to my channel. Come on. Don't say that I didn't warn you. Subscribe now for free. It will come a time when you will want to subscribe for free, but it will not be free. Of course, what do you think the car beside me did when he saw me passing him? What he did? You're going to notice soon what he did. Accelerate. Why? Just to show your balls in front of me. Yeah. Ski area, sunshine ski area. So this is the place. Victor, I hope you are watching. In this area we can ski, my friend. Yeah. This view, it's worth a guy again. You're going to accelerate when he see me passing him or not? What you say? Let's bet. I bet that he will, or he will be squeezed between me and the other truck, and he will be afraid to do it. Yeah. Squeezing. That means that I'm speeding, but just a little. Look at this guy that just passed me. He's speeding too much. I have like a wife beside me that is telling me, "Hey, you are speeding. Hey, stop, slower." The GPS is like the wife. Actually, my GPS is set on to speak with me with a woman's voice. It tells me, don't speed, slow down. So I have the wife with me, but she doesn't do something else. Nice river here beside the road. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, comment. If you don't like it, dislike, but do something. And hit the notification bell. I'm going to post every week. I want to post every day, but I don't have time to edit the videos. I have loads of videos in my phone that they are waiting to be edited. They don't have time when to do that. Usually when I'm stopping at the end of the day after 1,100 kilometers, I just want to sleep. When I'm delivering in a place or picking up a load, waiting, then it's time for editing. Yeah. Like this trip was 4,400 kilometers. Not much time for editing. I tried yesterday to upload some videos. I uploaded some of them, but I uploaded one and I had some music on the background, and YouTube blocked my video, and I have to edit that video to cancel the music on the background somehow. Because it's a nice video if you did. If you're going to tell me that I said something about that, we will see. But I bet that she didn't. Yeah, it's good that she's watching. I think she's one of the only subscribers of mine that she's watching all of the video from start to bottom, like all the video. And there is a truck that is passing me, a Manitobian truck, and I almost speeding in this zone, and he's speeding more than me. I'm doing 95 on a 90 zone, he's doing 100 and something. Not nice, not nice. What are you doing? Another river beside me, and hopefully there will be a rest area. I want. It was a rest area here. Oh, I want. Stop. Just for 2 minutes, if you know what I mean. Well, nice. What the F are you doing? Coming so close to me. Close to me. Now you are ruining my picture. Go. I slow down for you not to see just the truck in front of your eyes and nothing else. Let's see. Oh, why are you jumping so close in front of me? You want me to push you from behind? You're a guy. I will not going to push you. If you would be a woman, maybe. I'm a truck driver. What do you want from me? I have to joke about that too. Pushing and, you know, kissing and pushing and kissing and pushing. Comment if you don't want, if you don't like the way I'm talking or I'm joking. Maybe I'm too vulgar. Maybe I'm too. But you have just one life. Nice area. Such a nice area. And I'm happy that I'm not heavy. I have not even half of the trailer with loaded. So I can fly through Canadian Rockies. I'm flying through Canadian, flying with a truck through Canadian Rockies. This must be the name of the video. No, this is about Banff. And I'm going to end it here. Take care, guys. Like, subscribe. Don't forget you are watching and not subscribing. Why? I don't know how. There is a subscribe button. Just press it. And that's it. Again. Okay, take care and enjoy your life. Bye bye.